Hello guys, welcome to my new video and you're seeing just a YouTube channel. And today in the last video I have said you I'll tell about n%, but n% I'll tell after few days because that's not in the beginning. We can't learn it in the beginning. So I'll tell you first what is castling. In a game, both the player have a good opportunity to castle. Castle can be done only between king and rook. There are two types of castle, that is king side castle and queen side castle. In both the castles, king moves two steps and rook comes beside the king. See the example. While we are doing the castling, we must follow some rules and regulations. First one, don't castle if the king is in check. Second one, if the king is moved, you cannot castle on either side. If rook is moved on one side, you can castle on that side. You cannot castle on that side. Sorry, you cannot castle on that side. You may castle the other side. And I'll now show what is king side castling and queen side castling. See, sir. e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, pawn d4, something like pawn into, knight into, queen into, bishop here, knight here. Now what is this? King side castling. And the notation for king side castling is, what is it? So the notation for king side castle is, what is it? O dash O. And for long side castling, I didn't say long side castling, right? See then. See, I am doing king side castle. Observe over here. O dash O. So that's the notation for king side castle. Okay. Now, okay, we are deleting 13 moves, and now something like e4, e5, knight f, knight c6, pawn, bishop, pawn, knight f6, knight c3, and then black castling also it is O dash O. For queen side castling, just now I'll show you. And now bishop, pawn, queen, pawn g6, b6, sorry. And now if we do, this is long side castling. See, you need to move, and one more rule. See, we'll go back. Here you can't do directly castling because why? These two pieces are coming between our king and rook to do castling. So we can't do. Okay, we'll go to that position. And for long side castle, we can call it as O dash. Okay, space is not there. O dash, then O dash, and then O. See, you can observe it over here. Oh, for black and white, same castling notation and same castling also. So I have now only I have told you what is castling, and there are two types of castling. They are king side castling and queen side castling. Now I'll say you one thing. See, we have 8 ranks. See, we have 8, right? And here also we have 8 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. There are 8 letters. So here this is the king side and this is the queen side. See, when the queens are opposite, right? This all is queen side, and this is king side. This is king side and this is queen side. Okay, now I have told you what is king side and queen side. Now I'll tell you what are files and ranks. Yes, I'm going to tell you what are files and ranks. Just a minute, I'll delete this move. Okay. See now. Just a minute, I'll draw all the lines. See, what are these all? These all are called ranks. Okay, what are they? Ranks. And these straight lines are called, what are they called? They are files. So these are ranks and these are files. Now you understood what are ranks and files also. Now, just a minute, I'll tell you one more thing. And we can divide the game into 3 parts. What are they? First one, opening game. Second one, middle game. Third one, end game. Opening rules. First one, do not move one piece twice in the opening. Means do not move one piece 2 times in the opening. Okay. Control center squares. You need to always control center squares. You don't know what are center squares, right? D5, D4. Sorry, just a minute. D5, D4, E4, E5. These all are called center squares. These all are center squares. And rest of they are not the center squares. And the third rule in the opening is develop pieces as early as possible. Because when you develop your pieces, then you can go to attack. So next one, fourth one. Just now I said you what is castle, king side castle and queen side castle. So you need to, your wish it is by the position. It depends on the position how in which side you need to castle. So fourth rule is to castle early, as soon as possible you should castle. And the fifth rule is do not move queen early, because when you move the queen early, other pieces cannot develop and your queen will be in attack. See, something like I'll play pawn here, here, knight here, something like here, he plays here, pawn here. See, just a minute. See, his bishop has been developed and your queen is in attack. So he'll be faster in development. And first keep in your mind that only first white can move, not black. In any game, in any chess game, first white should move. Okay? See, I'll touch the black piece. See, just a minute. See, I touched the white piece, but this is moving. But here black piece, if we touch, see, the screen is getting means. So we need to always start from white to play. So sixth rule is, in the opening rules, sixth rule is do not attack unless all the pieces develop. You shouldn't attack his pieces until your all pieces are developed. So remember always, after every move, remember always to observe him. Means what threat he is doing, you need to observe it. And there are two types of advantages also. What are they? First one, positional advantage, and second one is material advantage. Positional advantage is who has development coins and free mobility early on the board, that person gets positional up or advantage. Did you understand? I'll repeat it once again. Who has development coins means pieces, and free mobility early on the board, that person get positional up or advantage. Positional up means your development gets faster, and your positional advantage means your pieces are developed faster than him. Okay, and now we'll go to material advantage. What is material advantage? Who has more points? Calculate the coins on the board, that player gets material advantage because he has material up. See, now I'll show you this. See, now who has more points? See, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a minute. We're having how many pawns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he's a pawn up. And yeah, I forgot to tell you points of the pieces. And also there are just a minute. And so I didn't tell you points of the pieces. Pieces also have points. Points means I'll just tell you, just a minute. See, how many points does a pawn have? The pawn has 1 point, and then comes the bishop. How many points does the bishop have? I'll just write it over here. Pawn, 1 point. For black and white, it is same. Pawn, just 1 point. And next, bishop, 3 points. And knight also 3 points. Okay, I'll erase it. And now rook 5 points. And queen 9 points. And just guess, stop the video here and just guess how many points does the king have. So it is king infinite. Just a minute. Infinite. King has infinite points. So for today that's all. Tomorrow what should we do? So for today that's all, and bye bye. Please subscribe, share and comment, and also like the video. Bye bye.